Diane and Denmark here, rah, 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 and welcome back to day 4 of our reset week. Woo, we're on to day 4. Hope you're feeling good today. I am feeling back in the pink again, literally in the pink today. What we're working on this week, that this is a reset week. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, not motivated, or feeling like you're doing things all the time, not getting anywhere, this is for you. But we'll jump right into it today. I have a mission for you. I have an extra boost mission. We're all going to help each other in the comments with something. But first up, let's do as we've done the last 3 days. We're going to take our temperature. So get your notebook. Remember, you got packed, hopefully, for this virtual retreat. I gave you a packing list. Hopefully you made a pamper basket and are using that. So anyway, get your notebooks. We're turning over to the next page. You're going to write down Thursday, house and self. You know the score. You know what's happening here. So how are you feeling today about the house on a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is it's really dragging you down, making you feel upset or angry, or 10, you're saying, Diane, come on over, we're ready to party. Okay? And then yourself, how are you feeling? How are you feeling today? Just, and don't overthink this, please. Just the first number that pops into your head. 1 is you woke up this morning and just didn't want to get out of bed, or 10, you are maybe not raring to go, but you're ready for the day. Okay? So you've got your numbers, and we talked about that yesterday. Okay, your mission for today, should you accept it, is to complete your morning or your evening routine whenever you're watching this video, all right? Because maybe you're watching this in December 2025 and it's the evening. I want you to complete your routine, because the routines, the basics, not the decluttering, not the zone cleaning, the basic routines are what help us to get through our days, to keep us on an even keel. And I mentioned that yesterday. I was having a case of the blahs, but I always can rely on my routines. They're our safety net. They keep us going. And just for fun, I'll show you, routines, they change. They're meant to change with your circumstances. Maybe you've changed jobs. Maybe you're now retired. Maybe you now have a baby in the family. The routines change. And just to show you, and I'll put my kind of routine, my basic routine up there. Remember, these are just ideas for you. Everybody's routines looks different, and I've done weeks where we've worked on our routines. We'll be doing a little reset of those soon too. But just for fun, when I first started with Flylady, I had these long lists, and then I was working as a Flylady mentor at Flylady Premium, and I came up with lists for the ladies I was mentoring, and the other mentors, they used them for their ladies. And you can see in the beginning, we made the classic mistake of trying to putting in all the things. And, you know, I'm pretty clever with these things. And I realised we were making it far too complicated. And I've mentioned to you before, you've really got to concentrate on what helps you to get started or to close your day. Keep it very simple. I would get my ladies just to pick 3 things for the morning, 3 things for the evening, and we would work on those. And remember, it doesn't need to be the classic things that you see in the Flylady system. Getting your gear ready so in the morning you are ready to take the dog out for the walk. A new addition in your family, and you've got a baby now, maybe part of your evening routine is setting up all the baby's equipment, maybe the baby's feed, so that during the night when you get up, you've got everything set. So anyway, so just to give you a little laugh about those. But as I said, we'll be working on our routines the next couple of weeks. We'll be doing a little reset of those. But the main thing for today is you take what you need to get done and you go and do it. What do? We set your timer. Setting the timer really helps us keep us focused in on the job, especially if you are like me, postmenopausal, we've got the brain mush going on. The timer helps us to get started, helps us to keep focus, and it stops us from going overboard. And before I go overboard with a video, I like to keep them short and doable. Your extra boost mission for today It's Thursday, which is errand day in Flylady land. Remember, it doesn't need to be Thursday, it can be any day of the week that you like. I've got videos on how to put in the daily focus. It's in the Flylady refresher course playlist. But today, for your extra boost mission, when you are grocery shopping this week, hopefully you've made your menu plan for the week and you got ideas from Tuesday's video with all the fantastic easy meal ideas. When you're grocery shopping at the supermarket, this week I want you to get something for yourself. Now something small, said the canny Scot. We're not trying to spend too much money here, but just something for you. A magazine, a plant. I'm going to get myself a plant actually to put outside one of the pots in the garden, because I've been feeling a bit melancholy with, we are now officially into autumn here. Let me just grab some flowers. And these are the last of the flowers that we have in the garden. These are the last of the blooms. So I want to buy myself, I don't know, some kind of plant that I can have the next couple of weeks that will just give me a little boost. Oh, hold on, just need a wee drink of water. It could be an energy bar, exotic fruit that you've never tried before. Just a tiny little thing for you, okay? So add that to your grocery list for this week. And then, are you excited about the comments? You need to set a timer before you start reading the comments on this reset week, because we've had really good comments, but don't go overboard reading the comments. Comment for today, I want you to tell me what is your greatest small pleasure. Bonus points if it's something that you can get for free, because we all love the free stuff. We don't want to spend money. I'll go first with mine. I love when I see our red garden squirrels. I feed them in the morning, and I just love when I see them. It just gives me a little, life is good. And the other thing that I love, of course, you know, my love of winter swimming, skinny dipping in the sea all year round. I just love being beside the sea, and it doesn't matter if it's raining, if it's sunny, that just gives me, you can't put a price on that. For me, that is just the best place in the world to be. So let me know, what is your greatest small pleasure? Bit of an oxymoron. Bonus points if it's free, and otherwise keep going this week. Keep going with your routines. Keep on digging into your pamper basket. Hopefully you're using that daily. And the idea with the pamper basket is that you can take it anywhere with you. Maybe the kids would like to have a little pamper basket with their favourite toys. But anyway, we'll talk more about that tomorrow. And I should just say I'm feeling extra perky today, at least in my head, not so much in my body, because last night I was with the ladies from my international group and we participated in the DHL walk and run, and they're just such a fabulous group of ladies. So thanks, ladies, for that. Anyway, off you go on your merry way. All I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish Hygge be with you, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 5 of our reset week with a rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.